I will now show a way of displaying trend chart. Click Window, New Window, Trend Chart. You'll start with titling it, anything you would like. So you have previously defined and you'd like displayed on this trend chart. Under Legend, you can decide if you'd like to see the legend. If you have specifications defined for one of the measurements, you can select that here. This is also where you decide the color that you would like to see for each of your measurements. Move on to Axes, tab at the top. Now you can decide what scale you would like to see. I recommend creating 3 trend charts. You can have a 2-minute chart, a 1-minute, or a 30-second. In this case, I'm going to show you the 30-second trend chart. I like to see thin lines. Also, I'll be using the measurement values. I don't have specification limits defined on this yet, so I will be unable to use that. The manual scale is just that. You can type in exactly what you would like to see on the y-axis. Now I'll get 5% padding. This will leave a 5% margin on the top and the bottom. That way your data does not actually touch the top and the bottom of the graph. You can decide if you want grid lines or not. I will be using y-axis grid lines. If you want it to scroll the other direction, you can click at the bottom here. Under miscellaneous, you can decide if you want to connect the dots. I do not want to. If you have specs defined, they will show up as soon as you click these. If you have flaws defined, you can click this and get it to show up on the graph. Also control changes just the same. On the refresh, I recommend 0.1. That's the quickest update you can have. Press OK. You'll have your trend chart appearing immediately. You can size this to whatever you would like. Just to show you another option, I'm going to go ahead and connect the dots. Move the pen in the field so we don't have the zoom that we are seeing here. Now you can see the 3 different values. We have our X as blue, we have our average in the middle, and our Y as brown.